Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we will run Alpha 1 iBot on a small account. We have managed till now to build that account from $100 to a little more than 600. So we're doing amazingly good with this robot. You can also run this robot. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you will find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel, so if you have interest about that, well, check it out. But now, let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. One more beautiful win with Alpha 1 iBot. You can see now the balance start to be very close to 700. So like I said, when they start to reach 1000, will be start being super fun. So if you want to run this robot also, link below the video. So with that, amazing day.